Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we will discuss about the different IDEs that are available and the IDEs that we are going to use in the course. So if you go to the material that I provided, you guys could find a link to download the Anaconda Navigator. So what is Anaconda Navigator? So the Anaconda Navigator is a platform which comes with pre-installed IDEs. So if you guys go to the link that I provided, you can find a link to download the Anaconda Navigator. So if you're a Mac user, you click on the Mac tab, and if you're a Windows user, you click on the Windows tab. And based on the versions of the Python, you can download the Anaconda Navigator. So I'm going to download Python 3.6 version, and you hit the download button and execution file will be downloaded. So this is my execution file. So if you guys open the execution file and if you follow each steps, so the steps are like self-explanatory. It's going to ask you to read the license agreement and accept the license agreement and the destination in which you need to install and so on. So once you complete the installation process, you can open the Anaconda Navigator. Either you go to your app launcher or your start window screen and you open the Anaconda Navigator. So this is the home screen of the Anaconda Navigator. You guys could see the lot of IDEs that are available for both Python and for R. So if you install Anaconda Navigator, you can open the IDEs from the Anaconda Navigator. It saves a lot of time and it makes our life easier. So in our course, we are going to use the Jupyter Notebook. So if you guys click on the launch button below the Jupyter Notebook, a terminal will be opened, which in turn will open the Jupyter Notebook. So if you guys go to the rightmost corner, you can find an option to open a new notebook. So this is the new Jupyter Notebook, and in the Jupyter Notebook we will be coding in Python and we will be executing our Python code. So how to code in Python and execute the code will be covered in our upcoming videos. So I believe you guys understood the use of the Anaconda Navigator and how to launch the Jupyter Node. See you guys in the next video.